My name's Kiki, and I spend 2 months every year in India buying supplies for my jewelry business. When I come to India, I spend time meeting local manufacturers in different parts of the country, talking with them and looking at their jewelry. India is such a big country that it can sometimes take 2 days to go from one city to another. I'm in Jodhpur at the moment, and tomorrow I'm going to Delhi. When I find some jewelry that I like, I buy it from the manufacturer to sell in my shop in Hong Kong. I have a lot of very good contacts here in India, and this is my 10th visit here. I always visit the same companies, and I know a lot of the managers very well. When I first came here, I thought the food was very strange. There wasn't very much meat, and the flavors were very different to the food in Hong Kong. But now I love the food, and I always buy lots of spices to add to my cooking back at home.
My name's Anil, and I'm a software analyst for Log Software Systems. My company often sends me abroad, and I usually spend more than half of each year away from home. I go to companies around the world and help them to install our software systems. I then stay there to train the employees how to use the new system and to help with any problems that the company have. This process usually takes about 6 months from beginning to end. Last year, I was in Venezuela for 7 months, and at the moment I'm in Thailand. So I see some very different and interesting places. I'm staying in a really nice hotel in the center of Bangkok. It's got 5 stars and has everything that I need. I really enjoy my job because I meet a lot of people and I learn a lot about how different countries do business.
My name's Jean-Marc, and I work abroad for 10 months every year. I work as a doctor, and I travel around the world, giving medical help after natural disasters such as droughts and tsunamis. I never know where I am going next, and that's what makes my job really exciting. At the moment, I'm working in Indonesia on a very small island. I am going to be here for about 10 months. The journey here takes 4 days because there are no roads. You have to fly and then get a boat. I work in a health center, giving medical treatment to local people, and I am also teaching the young children about how important clean water is. I love working with the children, and the people here are all very friendly. When my work here finishes, I am going to spend 6 weeks traveling around Indonesia before I start my next job. I don't know where it will be, though.
My university has links with engineering firms in Germany. As part of my degree, I'm spending a year working for a petroleum company near Munich. I'm working in their labs, helping them develop new equipment. At first, it was difficult because I had to learn a lot about the job, and I also missed my friends and family. I soon made lots of new friends, though, and stopped feeling homesick. There are people from all over the world working for the organization, and I made lots of German friends. I'm staying with a local family, and this really helped me when I first arrived. They made me feel at home. They showed me around the city and gave me lots of help with any problems that I had. I'm really enjoying working here, and my manager says that I am doing a good job. Hopefully, I will get a good reference when I leave, and this will help me find a good position after university.